welcome to the next session of how to create website fast using WordPress. Basically, this session will cover how to create your own page, property page. For example, if you have a new property launched, 4th Avenue, you want to create a 4th Avenue property page. Inside, we log into our backend of your WordPress site. You should be, we should all have the duplicate post since I already created the website for you already. But the thing is, we need to go to the setting. We need to go to setting. Under duplicate post, we need to allow the duplicate post to duplicate the property page permission. You see this property, tick this and save changes. So now we should be able to clone a page and also to make basic amendment to the page. So go to the property page, properties. Okay, so basically over here you should be able to see this clone function. So I do a clone. Okay, I have a basic template coming out. In the future, you can enhance this template and keep cloning that to your to your liking. This is a simple template that we all can use for the start to ease us to think about how we want to lay out the thing. So for example, this is going to be I'm going to do a 4th Avenue. So I found another page, basically it's my own page also, about 4th Avenue residences. So I will be taking some information over here, just copy and paste. First thing is the title. We need to change the title. So the title, let's say I put 4th Avenue Residences. Fourth Avenue Residences. 4th Avenue Residences with 6th Avenue MRT at okay, we are done with the title. How do you choose title? Choose something that is actually SEO friendly. In fact, it's like keyword must be inside, so that, like, for example, you want 4th Avenue, you're doing 4th Avenue residences, you must have 4th Avenue inside. And of course, some of the key point you might want to include. Some people will include something like not to be missed property. Up to you to decide how you're going to lay out. Importantly, the keyword must be inside for your SEO function. We will cover in the SEO section. Over here, I edit, change it to what we want. Okay, we are done. So first, title section, do we need to amend anything over here? Yes, about. So basically we need to change to about from Mayfair to 4th Avenue. So I save changes. Then next thing is the basic information about the project. So I copy. If you find some website that allow you to copy. In fact, if they don't allow you copy, there is ways to copy. You can just do a print screen and copy whatever from the sorry, not print screen, to print mode, then copy anything from there. You can see here, when I copy, there's a link. Please change it to your own link. Later we'll cover this session in enhancing, to do the basic backlinking of your page. We save the information. Okay, call to action. Basically this call to action is to the Mayfair. You might want to change some basic information to SMS, let's say 4th Avenue, and your name too. Please change to your name. Alvin Tay, for you put your name and your mobile number. Then on this property and not to be missed, you can change whatever thing that you think that the client will get to actually press. So I save over here. Get a copy of the free floor plan. This is like a carrot that actually them to send in the inquiry. You might have some image. So some image I might want to put is this image. I can save over here for new version. I save onto a desktop. Okay, I have an image. Okay, you can do some image editing, up to you. So I upload the file. Okay, very nice. Remember all the image, please name the image accordingly. Over here I want to limit, just copy all so that at least your image can be found inside the image search. Then I save the changes. Okay, now the next is the call to action. I amend also. Get a free instant copy, blah blah blah. Okay, this one everything seems okay. The session title again. So we proceed from the basic information to the location. This one no need to change. So where is the location of 4th Avenue? Find somewhere that you got the location. Here you have the location. Okay, I can just copy. You might want to consider copying from a few websites so that Google will not deem that your website is actually a duplicate copy. I need a location map. Yeah. If Google deem it as a duplicate copy, it will affect your SEO. So please take information from other side. If not, you just change the wording a bit here and there. For the practicing sake, I did not change anything over here. I just copy from one side, just for your understanding how fast it can be done. So the location I already put in. Similarly, title the image also. Set the image. Save changes. Okay, anything to change from this call to action? Let me see. Yes, similarly from Mayfair I change to 4th Avenue. Your name, your mobile, etc. Own this property, save. Okay, then I move on to the next session. The title, what should I do this? Amenities. Let's say I put 4th Avenue amenities. Okay, so what amenities do we have? Yeah, I save this some of the amenities. Most of the information you can actually find from other people's website. If not, you can just download from the Hutton's sales kit. But remember, only use images provided by the developer. If not, you might have copyright issue. Okay, remember I name the thing again. Set image. Okay, save. So after this call to action, amend the call to action also. Save similar of avenue. Your name and your mobile number. Save. Okay, next session we are looking at what? Basically it will be the site plan and facility. For avenue site plan and facility. So where's my site plan? Do I have any site plan over here? Yeah, you can see that. Oh, very nice site plan. Very big site plan. Save. Save. And save the image. Okay. So I need to amend the site plan. Upload. This one first. So make easy. Save. Amend this one. Now I need one more image, so I will do a duplicate of the image. You see this icon is duplicate. Then I just amend again this image. Remember I have almost the facility. Sorry, the site plan and facility. Okay, now I amend the call to action again. Need to change everything. Just a bit of side note, when you want if you add a totally new like for example if I I don't want to duplicate the thing. I add image for here, some from here. Maybe we'll go through this in a while. Next session, go to Unimix for okay, Unimix. So this is the image, another image that I have. Copy. Okay, so what I mean by so let's say I add I don't want to duplicate the image. I add a new image from the plus sign, but take note that this one, when the image come out, is a thumbnail. Please amend to full. Okay, full image size, and here align center, then you can plus the image. Okay, that's the Unimix. Okay, so I drag it out. Quite easy to use interface. I delete away the old image. The call to action similarly. Okay. The next session is about should they buy like some newspaper ad that you want to add in. Do I have any newspaper ad? I don't think I have any. If you got, you can use it. If not, I delete away this session, delete this row. So next is about developer. So basically this developer, this one put Mayfair Garden developer. I don't know, I change to for real developer. The image I use the save the image again, all green. Okay, so I amend the image again. So some information about the developer. Okay. You might want to format it. Combine center. Save. Any call to action element. Similar here, 4th Avenue. VIP discount, listen to amend is quite standard. Okay, so we are done with all the image. Over at the right hand side, you might want to put new launch, yes, Singapore. This one is district 10. Find district 10 and select Singapore. Okay, remove this feature image. This one is belong to the Mayfair. I need a feature image over here. I can download a feature image. If cannot find, go to the CS kit, developer CS kit. Set feature image, upload. Feature image. Yes, okay. Some of the basic information about selling and renting price. So what price should we go for? Basic information, you can see 4th Avenue address, price, I don't need the form, I just put sales price actual 1.2, let's say for example 1.2 before second price, display optional price for rental or square feet. So I can put after price. How many per square feet price 220, let's say for example area, what's the minimum area I have, I just do it at this land area. All this information, in fact, you can actually go to, okay, associate partners iPortal, log into your iPortal, go to project, for revenue, download the where is project info. Then you open up. It should have most of the project info here. The land area 18532.2. So you just from here 18532.2. Smaller unit. Just actually we have the smallest unit. What is the smallest unit of 1 million? 474. 474 square meter. Blah, 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 blah. What is the completion date? TOP, expected TOP 2022, 8 December 2022. 8. Okay. Tenure of land 99 years legal, number of car park. Any information about number of car park? Basement car park. Okay. If you don't know the information, you can just put to be confirmed. If let's say it's not wrong yet. Port ratio, any information of port ratio 1.8. Okay, map. Okay, so the map I need to drag to for everything over here. If you have not set up your map, there will be an instruction to how tell you to set up the Google Map. This setting address. What's the address? This is the address. Postal code. Any postal code? Oh, no postal code. No postal code. Then I leave it blank for now. All this video, public gallery. You might want to remove the Mayfair one. Add some of the image to your Mayfair video. Is not only video. I don't have video at the moment. Virtual tour, contact information, change your name. So the rest, we are done. Some of the information, basic information, you can copy from the first slide that you have over here about 4th Avenue. Okay, we should be done soon. Okay, so now we do publish, so that this one will become live, and you can actually see the link over here and you can start to view. Okay, we have the link already. It's already live already. So you come over here. Now you take note, I copy this link and go and do some backlinking to the page to tell Google actually what the page is about. This is just to for the internal backlinking. You see 4th Avenue. Apparently I don't have any media, that's why you see not much image over here. Any amendment can just actually see everything is quite simple. This WhatsApp button, please change it to your name also. I did not cover. Let me cover it in a while. I don't feature image. I think my feature image not out. Is there? Okay, because why? My property gallery here don't have feature image. Use this one. Select. Okay. Next thing, just on the WhatsApp button. Change this. It's actually a link. You just change to your number. Okay, I'm interested in not Mayfair but 4th Avenue. After the percentage, you just change 4th Avenue. Save changes. Okay, do some basic backlink. Okay, for example, at this section, I see this for having license. I amend, I do a link, apply, save, and maybe I like to do a bit of link on location. Here see, although you don't have, I just can type out myself. For avenue location. Actually, the title cannot link, but I can put here. For avenue residences location is a strong true. You can just put like that. Yeah. Just type in accordingly and just add in the link so that they don't like if you're looking at for one location, it can be this way. All green property, you might want to do some linking. Simple guide would be like one paragraph, one link. You know, at least they know each session is telling about what. So we are done. Update. So we have a page up in just minutes, and you can actually start to market this property out. We'll talk about where to publish all this information out for you to reach out to your customer, tell them about this project information. Let's do a refresh. Yeah, you see, image is out. Okay, quite a nice image. People want, they will just click here to inquire from you, or if not, here got inquiry box also, can link to you. Okay, we are done. Something from this video and subscribe to more videos just like this. Just click and tap the screen on the right for the next lesson, or look at the description for the previous lesson. For another video from me, just click and tap the screen on the right. And until then, I will be bringing you the best knowledge for real estate, for creating your own real estate business. Keep crushing it, and we will talk soon.